Hey there, adventurers! Ever wondered how many blocks you can mine in a minute if you mine 2 blocks every second? Well, today we're stepping into the magical world of multiplication right here in Minecraft to find out. Imagine you're in the game, pickaxe in hand, ready to mine. You swing your pickaxe and pop. There goes 1 block. Swing again, pop, there's another one. Now, if you were to do this every second for a whole minute, how many blocks would you have? You could count them one by one, but that'd take quite a while, wouldn't it? This is where multiplication comes in. Multiplication is like a superpower that helps us add the same number over and over again much faster. It's like having a turbocharged pickaxe. So if we're mining 2 blocks every second, we can think of it as 2 groups of blocks every second. And if we keep this up for a minute, how many seconds are there in a minute? That's right, 60 seconds. So now we have 60 groups of 2 blocks. Now, to find out how many blocks we've mined in total, we don't need to count each one. We can simply multiply. When we multiply the number of groups, which is 60, by the number of blocks in each group, which is 2, we get our answer. Let's do it together. 60 times 2 equals 120. So, if you mine 2 blocks every second, you can mine 120 blocks in a minute. That's more blocks than you can carry. And there you have it, adventurers. Multiplication is our secret weapon to count faster. Just like a turbocharged pickaxe helps us mine faster. It's a tool that's just as essential in our math adventures as our trusty pickaxe is in our Minecraft world. So, if you mine 2 blocks every second, you can mine 120 blocks in a minute. That's the magic of multiplication. Now, imagine you have 3 chests, and each chest holds 2 diamonds. How many diamonds do you have in total? Let's take a journey into the world of Minecraft and find out. Just like in our everyday life, we often need to count items and figure out quantities. Multiplication is simply a fast way of adding the same number over and over again. So when we say 3 times 2, it's like saying 2 plus 2 plus 2. In our Minecraft world, let's think of it this way. You've got 3 chests, and each one has 2 shiny, sparkling diamonds inside. If you want to find out the total number of diamonds, you could open each chest and count the diamonds one by one. That's addition. But there's a quicker way, and that's where multiplication comes in. Instead of counting each diamond, you can simply multiply the number of chests by the number of diamonds in each chest. That's 3 chests times 2 diamonds. Now you might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, it's simple. Just think of it as 3 groups of 2. You have 2 diamonds in the first chest, 2 more in the second, and another 2 in the third. If you add all these together, you get 6 diamonds in total. But remember, multiplication allows us to find the answer more quickly. So, we say 3 times 2 equals 6. That's right, you have 6 dazzling diamonds in total. So, the next time you're playing Minecraft and you come across multiple chests of items, remember you can use multiplication to quickly find out how many items you have. It's a handy tool, not just in the magical world of Minecraft, but in your everyday life too. Fantastic! 3 chests with 2 diamonds each give us 6 diamonds. That's how multiplication works. Hey adventurers, did you know that only a small percentage of all Ashes Day viewers are subscribed? That's right. Many of you watch and enjoy our videos, but haven't hit that subscribe button yet. Subscribing to Ashes Day is absolutely free, and it's a great way to show your support for our channel. We work hard to create fun and educational content for you, like our Minecraft multiplication series. When you subscribe, it helps us reach more people and continue making these exciting videos. So, if you're enjoying our multiplication adventure in the world of Minecraft, why not hit that subscribe button? It's just a click away, and it makes a huge difference for us. We appreciate you greatly for doing so. Now, let's get back to our multiplication adventure. Up next, we'll dive deeper into multiplication fun with more exciting examples from the world of Minecraft. Stay tuned. Ready for more multiplication fun? Let's say you have 4 friends, and you give each friend 3 pieces of bread. How many pieces of bread do you give away? Imagine this. You are in the amazing world of Minecraft, and you have just baked fresh loaves of bread. You see your 4 friends, and you decide to share your bread with them. You give each friend 3 pieces of bread. Now, how do we figure out how many pieces of bread you've given away? That's right, we use multiplication. So let's break it down together. You have 4 friends, and you give each friend 3 pieces of bread. In multiplication, this is the same as saying 4 times 3. But what does times mean in multiplication? Well, times is just another way of saying groups of. So, 4 times 3 means 4 groups of 3. Let's visualize this in our Minecraft world. You have 4 friends standing in a row. You walk over to the first friend and hand them 3 pieces of bread. Then you walk over to the second friend and give them their 3 pieces. You do the same for the third and fourth friends. Now, if we count all the pieces of bread you've given away, how many would that be? Let's count together. 3 from the first friend, 3 more from the second friend makes 6, 3 more from the third friend makes 9, and finally 3 more from the fourth friend makes 12. So 4 times 3 equals 12. So the next time you want to share your freshly baked bread with your friends in Minecraft, you'll know exactly how many pieces you're giving away, thanks to multiplication. And remember, multiplication is just a fast way to add the same number multiple times. So don't worry if it seems tricky at first. With a little practice, you'll be multiplying like a pro in no time. Great job! 4 friends with 3 pieces of bread each means you give away 12 pieces of bread. Scene script. Feeling confident now? Let's try a slightly harder problem. If you plant 5 trees and each tree drops 4 apples, how many apples do you get? Imagine this. You're in your very own Minecraft world and you've decided to plant an apple orchard. You gather the saplings, the dirt and the necessary tools. You carefully place 5 saplings in the ground and with a bit of Minecraft magic, voila! You've got 5 sturdy apple trees ready to bear fruit. Now let's think about this. If each of these trees drops 4 apples, how many apples will you have in total? This is where your multiplication skills come into play, adventurers. Remember, multiplication is just a quicker way of adding the same number multiple times. So instead of adding 4 apples plus 4 apples plus 4 apples plus 4 apples plus 4 apples, we can multiply. Take the number of trees, which is 5, and the number of apples each tree drops, which is 4. If we multiply these numbers together, we get our answer. So what's 5 times 4? I'll give you a moment to think about it. Got your answer? Great! If you said 20, you're absolutely right. 5 trees, each dropping 4 apples, give us a total of 20 delicious Minecraft apples. So you see, using multiplication, we can quickly find out how many apples our orchard will produce without having to count each apple individually. It's like having a superpower in your Minecraft world and in real life too. So keep practicing your multiplication, adventurers. The more you practice, the better you'll get, and soon you'll be a multiplication master. Well done, adventurers! 5 trees with 4 apples each give us 20 apples. Remember, the more trees you plant, the more apples you'll have. So keep planting and keep multiplying. Wow, we've had quite an adventure in Minecraft today, haven't we? Our journey through the blocky world of Minecraft took us on a fascinating expedition where we discovered the magic of multiplication. It's been quite the trip, and I'm glad we took it together. We started off by understanding the basics of multiplication. We saw how it's like building a tower with blocks. If you have 4 blocks and you build 3 such towers, you end up with 12 blocks. That's what 4 multiplied by 3 equals. We learned that multiplication is a faster way of adding numbers, which is a handy trick to have up your sleeve. Then we delved deeper into the fun world of multiplication. Remember when we had to count how many blocks we needed to build a house? We used multiplication to quickly calculate the total number of blocks. That was such a fun challenge, wasn't it? And who could forget the multiplication challenge? We were faced with a few tricky problems, but we solved them together. When we had to figure out how many torches we needed to light up our Minecraft cave, we used multiplication and found the answer in a jiffy. Our Minecraft adventure today was not just about having fun, but also about learning. We learned that multiplication can be a great tool in our everyday life, just like in our Minecraft world. It can help us solve problems faster and make our lives easier. So adventurers, keep practicing multiplication. Use it when you're playing, studying, or even when you're helping out at home. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And before you know it, you'll be multiplication masters. This wraps up our adventure for today. But don't worry, there's always another adventure waiting for us in the magical world of Minecraft. Remember, adventurers, multiplication is just a faster way of adding numbers. Keep practicing and soon you will be multiplication masters. Until our next adventure, goodbye.